Hey everyone, and welcome to another video. So this is a test of the cinematic mode, the 4K cinematic mode on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So just making sure I'm in the frame. This is a very difficult room to actually record in. Lighting in here is generally quite bad because obviously we have a big bay window here, but then on all of the opposite sides, obviously I've basically blacked out this entire room. So in terms of recording in here, generally, unless you have a very fast aperture, you're going to struggle to bring in enough light for most cameras, and most scenarios I have to have additional lighting. So this will actually be a good test in terms of what it looks like with natural light being the actual light source, but the actual room itself being quite dark. Apologies for the noise, my robot vacuum is actually going in the background. I will have some video comparisons coming up between this and my A7S3, Sony A7S3. And what I intend to do with that is basically just run a few tests with various different apertures. So f2.0 is the lowest I think this goes. And I think f11, I'm not 100% sure. I think f11 is the highest it'll actually go. So what I'll do is I'll just run through. This is now a 24mm lens, I believe. So I do have a I actually have an f1.4 24mm lens for my Sony. So with that, I'll actually start that at f2.0 and then I'll run up through the f-stops and we'll see what the difference actually looks like. Obviously, compared to last year, instantly it's a big boost with the 4K support, and we now have 24 FPS, which is what I'll match up with on the Sony as well.